Hey guys, grab a chair.
Come, let's have coffee together.
Welcome to Coffee and Crazy Thoughts.
This is a new series on our channel where we put some sense to our crazy insights.
So let's just sip into it.
So, you know what? Few days back, when I was scrolling through my social media, I found an article which read, a man poisoned a leopard in Chhattisgarh just to sell his skin. And he didn't stop there. He burned the entire body of leopard just to destroy the evidence.
Okay.
Well, how cruel of it. This was one case. A day prior, there was one more news which read, there was an elephant in Chhattisgarh itself who was electrocuted.
Like how?
As in, in farmlands, live electricity cables were put in randomly, and this elephant just stepped onto it because elephant being elephant,
Yeah,
and he died
because of the
that.
heavy shock.
Heavy electricity flow.
Oh,
And to the worst part of this news is yet to come, which
Yeah.
is this was not first elephant death. Like in last 10-15 days, this was the 10th death from same state.
like 10
Same
elephants have
reason.
died because of the same reason in the same area.
Yes, same state.
Okay,
Chhattisgarh.
okay. Yeah, yeah.
I mean, this is horrific. What?
Yeah. We all might also know the news which was really trending and really viral. The news about death of a pregnant elephant. Yeah, that was really horrifying. I mean, she died and the reason of her death was people fed her explosives like stuffed in a pineapple.
How crazy. Similar was the scene in Tamil Nadu where jackal was fed meatball stuffed with crackers.
That's
That's
insane.
next level of insanity. And this doesn't end over here. There are a hell lot of cases we want to tell you, but
They are just too cruel or too brutal to be even talked about. Like, there are many cases, like we all know a platform, like I can't take its name, but we all know the platform, and it's quite famous and quite, how do I say? Influential in India at least, as far as I know. And there were many videos which were trending and viral on that platform, which supported or which showed animal cruelty.
in worst possible ways. Like people were enjoying doing those acts. Can you believe it? Like I just want to tell to whoever are listening to this that these acts are not funny. These are not at all funny. If anyone comes and pokes you, you won't enjoy it.
Yeah, and there was not just poking.
Yeah, that was way beyond that. Well, I just want to tell you, whoever doing so, those people are sadists, and if they are our friends, we should go and tell them, rather than supporting them.
Yeah, exactly.
I just have one question to you. Is this the behavior of society we really tolerate?
Yeah. As some of you might already have pets or have considered to have one, like we all know that how important pets are to us. Like we love them, we also consider them a part of our family. Then why not just love their other unloved friends the same way we love our pets?
Yes, exactly. I
Yeah.
mean, if we use them for our benefits, if we use them for our needs, whenever we are alone, we need a companion, we consider of getting a pet. We in day-to-day lives, we use many products which have come from animals, like milk, for example. So why not just show love and respect towards them?
I completely understand those who have like allergies or hate like don't like animals in general. It's fine, I mean.
But a little bit of empathy wouldn't hurt, right?
Yeah.
In the end, they might not be humans, but they still have feelings.
I have one question. Like, what do you think are the major reasons? Like, we all, like, most of the society loves animals. Like, there are animal lovers, a lot of them. But why people do this stuff? Like the scary stuff you're talking about here.
See, first major reason is no one. There are people who are willingly doing this because their issues, their psychotic problems.
Yeah.
My concern is not those people, because they, even if I go to them and tell them to improve, I doubt how much they'll improve. But my problem is us, our peoples, who see these things happening in front of our eyes, and still some of us don't know what to do or how to deal with situation because we are not aware of the laws which have been amended or which exist already. These people can be punished if complained in proper way. Proper way, I am adding it because there was a case in Gujarat recently. A stray dog was beaten very brutally, but the complaint couldn't move forward because local police, the complaint filed was in English and local police couldn't read it. And
So
couldn't
just because
process
they
it.
couldn't like understand the language, the guilty was just.
Yes.
I mean, till now, like till until I researched about this topic, because we have to talk about it. I also didn't knew that there were so many laws. Like there are like a lot of laws. Like there is a whole list of them. We'll give the link in the description. Like if you want to read those laws.
Also, I would like to add one more point to this, which is the Prevention of Cruelty Against Animals Act, which states or which governs, which states these laws which you have just discussed.
Yeah.
I have one issue with that is this law was passed in 1960, and the
Okay.
punishments under those acts were fine from at that point, like from that point of time. But if you consider this day, the law has not been changed till date. So here we are discussing of is, if even if we complain, even if we take actions, first step, like first fine for those who commit such a sin is 50 rupees. And
Like
which,
really 50 rupees. Like
yeah, just 50 bucks, 50 Indian rupees. And it ranges maximum till 100 rupees.
like so basically we are talking that a cost of life of an animal or like a non-human is between 50 to 100 rupees.
Worst case scenario, if the guilty is really, when the accused is really guilty and has done some major thing, the prison imprisonment is for like 3 months only. Like, come on, our pocket monies are more than the
A
cost
lot
of
more.
that.
Like kids have the pocket, like they get daily money that much. Like so, I just want to clear one thing, that we are not blaming any authority or not questioning anyone.
Yes.
We are just putting forward our points and opinions which are, we feel are right or like are right to us. Like we
Or
feel
maybe
that.
we feel that should be discussed.
Yeah.
So, first and major thing we can do on our level is just go aware ourselves about the laws he just mentioned. We'll be putting link in description. Just go
Exactly.
and check it out once.
And also I would like to add that just take seriously the crimes. Like animal cruelty is not cool, like never cool. I mean the ones who think that it's cool or it's something we like should be proud of, it's not a joke. Animal cruelty is a really bad thing.
I would just like to suggest one more thing for those who are like us who really think of owning a pet. Just a advice or suggestion is try adopting instead of buying.
Yeah.
There are many
Exactly.
many pups out there who really need home but can't get them.
And you know, there are many organizations which are working like near us. Like there are many, such as, like, wait, let me just state them. Animal Matters to Me, Save Our Strays, World
Oh.
for All. Yeah, there are many more. Like, you can just find them on Google. Like, we'll link some of them down in the description. You would like to, like if you want to check, you can just.
And these are the organization near Mumbai area where
Yeah.
we stay. Also, there is a national organization, PETA.
PETA. Yeah, I know. The People for Ethical Treatment of Animal. Yeah, I
Yes.
read about them. Yeah.
And you know what? There are a lot of vets who are willingly ready to come and inform us. I know that their body system, their working style, or their age is different than humans, but there are people who are coming forward willingly to just educate you. I salute to all those organizations,
And those vets
who come forward.
work for this noble cause.
And also one more thing, during lockdown,
Yeah.
there have been many people, many random, unknown people have come forward and to help these strays, because they
Yeah,
used to
exactly.
survive over the leftovers which came from restaurants and all.
Yeah.
So now, while the restaurants are closed, there are many such families who are willingly going and giving them food.
And just taking care of them daily, like in this lockdown period.
Just a recognition to them. And just like vets and other organizations, we would like to salute and thank you as well.
At the end of the day, we can just give you an insight of our thoughts or insight of our crazy ideas.
And just to be clear, we are not against non-vegetarians.
Yeah.
All we are talking about is healthy coexistence, which include the basic respect to all the living things on this planet.
Yeah. And guys, if you can relate to me, we all have grown watching The Jungle Book, in which the animals take care of a human boy and just include them in their pack and just
Nurtures him to
Yeah.
grow. Also, The Lion King, where we have seen the wildest of animals having those morals, behaving with the dignity with everyone in Animal Kingdom.
But as we all know that every coin has two sides, and it's upon us to choose which side is correct or which side is wrong for us.
Now it's in your hand, or it's basically in our hand,
Yeah.
whether to end the humanity in most inhuman way or create a ecosystem where everyone can sustain and develop, including Animal Kingdom.
So guys, tell us what do you think in the comment section below. We would love to hear your opinion. And finally, I just want to say that this world is full of craziness.
Be proud of yours, embrace it, love yourself.